Anything rash. Everything's fine. Let's just take this nice and slow, okay? Look at me. Hey. Show your badge, eh? My pocket. I'm just gonna reach down, nice and slow. Fuck you on me! What the hell are you doing? Fuck you on me! Help me! Don't open that door! Remember Alamo? Here, help me with this door. You gotta be kidding. Check the back. It's clear. 1, 2, 3.
Brought to you by KFC. Coming today and taste why fresh is better.
You should put somebody dancing. Oh my God, you did! Put your feet in shoes. They look like shoes. But you did something like that.
Find some peace this holiday. Get an 8-piece meal now with a dozen delicious cookies baked in store. The KFC Festive Feast, all for just $19.99.
Do it! Yes, you did! No, I did it! Yes, you did! Yes, you did! Did not!
Today tastes so good.
Woohoo! USA! USA!